Famous Crashes, Part 5 by Zachary Levon and Marty. Delta Airlines Flight 191, Lockheed L1011, 301 TriStar, August 2, 1985, 136 deaths, 152 passengers, 11 crew, 27 survivors, Fort Lauderdale, to Dallas to Los Angeles, crashed due to a microburst resulting in runway undershoot. Crash site Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. Pakistan International Airlines Flight 268 A300B4-100 September 28, 1992, 167 deaths, 155 passengers, 12 crew, 0 survivors. Karachi to Kathmandu crashed due to controlled flight into the rain during final approach. Crash site a mountain near Tribhuvan International Airport. Thai Airways International Flight 311, Airbus A310-300, July 31, 1992, 113 deaths, 99 passengers, 14 crew, 0 survivors. Bangkok Don Muang to Kathmandu crashed due to controlled flight into terrain and pilot error. Crash site a mountain near Tribhuvan International Airport. British Airways Flight 38, Boeing 777-200ER, January 17, 2008, 0 deaths, 136 passengers, 16 crew, 152 survivors. Beijing Capital to London, Heathrow, crash landed due to fuel starvation. Crash site, Heathrow Airport, London, United Kingdom. Garuda Indonesia Flight 152, A300B4-200, September 26, 1997, 234 deaths, 222 passengers, 12 crew, 0 survivors. Jakarta Sawarkano Hatta to Medan, crash due to controlled flight into terrain during final approach. Crash site a mountain near Polonia International Airport. Aeroflot Nord Flight 821, Boeing 737-500, September 14, 2008, 88 deaths, 82 passengers, 6 crew, 0 survivors. Moscow Sheremetyevo to Perm, crashed due to loss of control on final approach. Crash site near Perm International Airport. Indonesia AirAsia Flight 8501, A320-200, December 28, 2014, 162 deaths, 155 passengers, 7 crew, 0 survivors. Surabaya to Singapore crashed due to pilot error leading to stall. Crash site the Java Sea. Part 6 is coming. June 20